In front of me is ALCATEL Freebie, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, just open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 horizontal lines in the left upper corner, and go to My Apps and Games. And here you've got all apps that can be updated, so you can pick either one particular application that you would like to apply. For example, Google Calendar. Just tap on Update right next to its icon, and here it will be downloaded and installed. You will be able to see the progress. Also, you can use your device in a normal way, and in the background, meanwhile, the app will be updated. And as you can see now, you can scroll down and find it under Recently Updated. But also you can update all apps at once. To do it, just click on Update All, and then it will be done automatically. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.